This beautiful crochet blanket uses only one row repeating. The texture look amazing, work up quickly and easy to remember. Let us start. Blanket I am using a double knit medium weight 4-ply wool and 4 mm G6 crochet hook, multiple of 3 and count the chains. For every size multiple of 3 increase or decrease the length of the blanket. Make a chains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Continue and make a chains. Multiple of 3 stitches, count 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. I have 30 stitches, 7 inches, 18 centimeter length. Skip the first chain. In the second chain make a half double crochet 1. This chain 1 we count first single crochet, double crochet in the same stitch, a set stitch, pattern row 1. Now skip the next 2 stitches. In the next stitch make a single crochet and half double crochet in one stitch. Follow the same work, single crochet, half double and double crochet. Now repeat and follow the same work across. Skip next 2 stitches. In the next stitch make a single crochet in one stitch, single crochet, half double crochet and double crochet. Repeat. Skip 2 stitches. In the next stitch make a single crochet, half double crochet and double crochet. Skip next 2 stitches. In the next stitch make a single crochet, half double crochet and double crochet. Now continue and follow the same work. In the pattern, set stitch row 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and skip the next 2 stitches. In the next stitch skip make a single crochet. In the next stitch single crochet, half double and double crochet, and I have left one stitch. In the last stitch make one single crochet. Here row 1 I have complete. Row 2 chain 1 and this chain 1 we count first single crochet stitch. In the same stitch make a half double crochet and one double crochet in row 2. This is the first stitch, single crochet, chain 1 we count first stitch, 1, 2, 3. In the previous row single crochet stitch, every single crochet stitch make a pattern. Skip the next 2 stitches. Here in the previous row double crochet and half double. Skip this double and half double crochet stitch. In the single crochet stitch work the same single crochet, half double crochet and double crochet. 3 stitches make in the single crochet stitch in my previous row. Continue, skip 2 stitches. In the next single crochet previous row single crochet stitch make a single crochet, half double crochet and double crochet. Repeat and follow the same work. Skip 2 stitches. In the previous row single crochet stitch make one single crochet. In the same stitch half double crochet and double crochet. Repeat the same work across till the last stitch. In the second row from here count a group of pattern 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and now in the last a double crochet stitch, half double crochet stitch and single crochet stitch. Now in the half double crochet stitch make one single crochet and turn work. we have completed. Continue and follow chain 1. This chain 1 we count first single crochet. In the same stitch make 1 half double crochet and 1 double crochet in the first stitch. Now repeat and follow the same work. Skip the double crochet and half double crochet stitch. In this single crochet stitch make 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet in the same stitch and 1 double crochet. 3 stitches in the previous row single crochet stitch. Single crochet, half double and double crochet. Now repeat and follow the same work across. Skip 2 stitches, a double and half double, previous row skips, and in the next single crochet stitch make single crochet in the same stitch, half double crochet and 1 double crochet. For beginners, you will learn this beautiful and easy pattern for blanket, texture pattern, and for cardigan jacket. This 1 row repeating pattern you can easily to follow. Skip 2 stitches, in the next stitch single crochet, half double crochet and double crochet. For more details for this blanket, full blanket pattern, more details, visit my website, link in the description box. For all details, this blanket side stitch baby blanket pattern. Skip 2 stitches, in the next stitch make a single crochet and 1 half double crochet and double crochet. Continue and follow the same work across till the end. In row 3, repeat and follow the second row for the pattern of this side stitch baby blanket. For more details, visit my website. Right side and wrong side same. Follow 1 row repeat for this blanket. At the end, in the half double crochet stitch, in this half double crochet stitch make 1 single crochet. For nice edging, always work in the half double crochet stitch, but the single crochet always we count the first single crochet of the pattern. Okay, now repeat and follow the second row for this blanket. Continue and repeat the same pattern. Chain 1, this chain 1 we count first single crochet. In the same stitch make half double crochet and a double crochet, and follow the same work row 4 as we did in row 2 and 3. This 1 row repeat and follow for the pattern. Here skip double crochet, half double crochet previous row. In the single crochet stitch, every single crochet stitch in every row, in the single crochet stitch make single crochet, half double and double. Skip 2 stitches, in the single crochet previous row make a single crochet, half double and double. Follow the same work across till the last stitch and repeat 1 row. Okay, for the blanket repeat and follow the same pattern across. 1 row repeat, change color, make 4 row, then change color or use multiple color for this blanket. Very beautiful and easy pattern for beginners. Continue and make the same pattern. For more detail, visit my website, link in the description box. Like and share this video. For more videos, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for new videos. Thanks for watching.